So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a new balancing spool, and we replaced the cartridge on the diverter stem up top. We didn't have two. We replaced the one on the bottom as well, but the problem in the functionality was there was no hot water on the hot side, turned on, nothing. And so that is the balancing spool, as we were told by Mo. It's a Mo and Tro valve. We installed this originally a couple of years back, I think 2016, 2015, maybe even further back. So we installed the valve, and we're out here maintaining it. So brand new, and of course what's nice about the valve, it's got the integrated stop, so shut off the hot and the cold, and then pull out the spool, put a new spool in. And like I say, we had one cartridge with us, so we replaced the one on top. One on the bottom, existing to the home, still working great, so no big deal on that. And a cartridge replacement, you know, you can get 20 bucks out of Home Depot, and then a little puller, shut those stops off, and you're good to go. Anyway, so everything's working now. You got hot water, cold water, plenty of pressure. Outside of that, this installation is done.